Hello and welcome. We are just a stone's throw from Coastal Grand Mall, right over yonder. And there's some interesting construction going on. It's a hotel. Homewood Suites, I believe. As you can see, it is far along. Structure itself looks pretty substantially complete. We've got a pool right there, right in front of the front door. And a neat feature of this hotel, if you're staying here once it opens, is just on the other side of it, right behind those trees, is the airport. So you're going to be seeing planes taking off and landing, and for some people that's annoying, but for others it's kind of interesting. I get a kick out of it personally. Not sure when the completion date of this facility is. If you know, comment down below, let me know. But on that note, there's actually more construction going on around the mall, just on the other side. So let's zip on over there and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Right, here we are on the other side of the mall. Where we were a moment ago was way back there behind the building. And oh, there you go. If anyone's into building pallet furniture or pallet DIY, there's about 100 of them sitting over here. Okay, so this building here, brand new, independent of the mall itself. It's not actually connected to the mall. If you were to walk around this new building, it is completely open. So this is a standalone structure right next to what is now the Dick's Sporting Goods. So interesting enough, that Dick's is going away, and this will be the new Dick's Sporting Goods, its own building. If you're wondering where around the mall we are, there is what is known as the main entrance over here by the Alta Abuelos, and it might be hard to see, but that is the Tesla charging station right over there. So this building, similar to the hotel, structurally looks about ready to go. Just got to put the finishing touches on the inside, get this thing up and running. All right, thank you for joining me on this quick construction update around Coastal Grand Mall. Once this stuff opens up, I will revisit and show you guys and gals what's going on. So, until then, everybody, take it easy.